Can he do it? He's done it once. On the wrong side. Here, let me help you out. Try that side. Oh, he got it! Great success. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Opens the little slide flap and everything.
Yeah.
It's a grand opening.
Oh, cardboard.
Can you get it all out? Oh. Not quite. Got one piece out.
Oh, that's good enough. I'm gonna just sit on this now.
Oh. Look at that, he scooches back in. What is that? What was that?
That was too cute.
You satisfied?
Oh, that was too cute.
Oh, what a guy. What a cat.